Okay, children, let us take question number 7 from exercise 10.4. A vessel is in the form of inverted cone. So here is the diagram is there. It is in the shape of, this is a vessel. It is in the form of inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeters. So height of the cone is 8 centimeters and radius of its top is 5 centimeters. Radius is 5 centimeters. So the shape of the cone, the shape of the vessel is inverted cone and height is 8 centimeters, radius is 5 centimeters. It is filled with water. This cone is completely filled with water up to the rim, just up to the top of the vessel. When lead shards, each of which is in the shape of sphere. These are the lead shards in the shape of sphere and radius is 0.5 centimeters. Each lead shard radius is 0.5 centimeters. So radius of each lead shard is 0.5 centimeters. All are with equal radius into the vessel. When some lead shards are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of water flows out. We know that water is up to the top of the vessel. When some lead shards are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water came out from the vessel. Find the number of lead shards dropped into the vessel. We need to find the number of the lead shards. So how many lead shards are dropped so that 1/4 of the water came out? It means there is a logic here. If suppose there are n number of lead shards, then volume of n number of lead shards will be equal to the 1/4 of the volume of the cone. So by using this logic, we are going to solve the problem now. Let us find the volume of the cone first. Volume of cone. So here we know what is the formula to find out the volume of the cone. 1/3 pi r square h. So 1/3 pi is here 22/7. What is r? Radius of the cone is 5 centimeters. R is equals to 5 centimeters and also h is equals to 8 centimeters. So 5 into 5 into 8 centimeters. So here 22 into 25 into 8 by 3 into 7. This is the volume of the cone. See, when some lead shards in the shape of sphere are dropped into this vessel, 1/4 of water came out. So this is the volume of the complete cone. Find the 1/4 of the volume of the cone. Is equals to 1/4 of 22 into 25 into 8 by 3 into 7. So 4 2s are 8. So 25 into 2 50. 22 into 50 by 3 into 7, that is 21. This can be calculated as 52s are 100, then 52s are 100 plus 10, 110 by 21. This is the 1/4 of the volume of the cone, that is the water came out from the vessel. Now let us find the volume of each spherical marble. One-fourth of cone, volume of cone this is. Now let us find the volume of each spherical marble. Lead shards. Okay, radius of each sphere is 0.5 centimeters. So what is the formula to find out the volume of sphere? V is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 r cube, 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. So this can be written as 4 into 22 into 0.1255 into 5 into 5 by, again 3 sevens are 21. So this is the volume of each spherical lead shards. But we don't know how many lead shards are there. Let us suppose there are n number of lead shards dropped into the lead. Let n number of lead shards are dropped. N number of lead shards are dropped into the vessel. So volume of n lead shards will be equals to n into 4. This is the volume of single lead shard. So n number of lead shards will be equals to n into 4 into 22 into 0.125 by 21. So we found out the volume of n number of lead shards. Then what we should do now next? Volume of 1/4 of the water. Volume of 1/4 of the water, that is 1100 by 21. Conical vessel. That is 1100 by 21 is equals to n into 4 into 22 into 0.125 by 21. Why? Because n number of lead, volume of n number of lead shards will are dropped inside the conical vessel. 1/4 of water came out. So volume of these vessels, n number of n number of spherical balls is equals to volume of 1/4 of water. So we are equating these two. So to find n, we can cancel 21 and 21. N is equals to 1100 divided by 4 into 22 into 0.125. So now we can do the calculation. 4 ones are, so 4 twos are 8, 30, 4 sevens are 28, 24 fives are 20. Next, after calculation, 275 by 22 into 0.125, you are going to get as n is equals to 100. N is equals to 100. Means we have dropped 100 lead shards, spherical lead shards into the vessel. Therefore, number of lead shards that we have dropped is 100.